How to add screen recording shortcut on iPhone Control Center. First is by opening your Settings app and scroll down until you can see Control Center just below General right here. Click on Control Center and look for screen recording under More Controls. So let's just remove this one first. Scroll down and look for screen recording right here. So the screen recording app has this button or this icon right here. Make sure to click on the plus button, and then whenever you go to your control center, you may be able to see the screen recording option or shortcut. So if you want to reorder your shortcut, you just simply press and hold into this button right here and drag it to whichever um, order you want. So go back to your control center, and then as you can see, it has been reordered. So that's it. That's how you can add screen recording shortcut to iPhone Control Center.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.